I used to hide my arms in hoodies, even during hot summers. I skipped photos and avoided mirrors. It wasn't about strength, it was about confidence. One day I realized my shoulders carried more than weight. They carried self-doubt I never spoke about. What if strong arms were never about size or lifting heavy? What if shoulders you ignore daily control posture, confidence, and presence? Most people train them incorrectly or avoid them completely. That's why arms and shoulders are trending now, because people are finally waking up. Across the US, arms and shoulders resistance training is exploding because results go beyond looks. When I started training these muscles consistently, everything shifted. My posture improved. My neck pain reduced. I felt confident standing taller and moving freely. Shoulder presses taught stability. Lateral raises built balance. Bicep curls strengthened discipline. Tricep work reminded me that unseen muscles matter most. Resistance training is emotional strength training. Each repetition is a quiet promise to yourself. You don't need heavy weights or a perfect gym. You need consistency and intention. Arms and shoulders support daily life, from carrying groceries to holding loved ones. When these muscles grow stronger, so does your mindset. Strength isn't loud. It's built one controlled movement at a time, and that's why this trend is here to stay. Your arms carry your story, your work, your dreams. Train them with respect. Build strength with purpose. This isn't just an arms and shoulders workout, it's a reminder that confidence follows consistency. Show up today, and your body will thank you tomorrow.